What's up, everybody? It's Alex Farley in Brattleboro, and you're looking at some pretty heavy snow coming down right now. It's January 20th, 2019, and we've got a big winter storm moving through. They're expecting 1 to 2 feet of snow here in Brattleboro. This is Putney Road, US Highway 5, State Road 9. And I'm next to McDonald's right now, waiting for it to open so I can go in and get my coffee. Looks like they should be opening on time. It's a little before 5 a.m. right now. It's going to be coming down really hard here within the next few hours.